Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Kali Linux on your Windows 11 operating system. For this you will require two things. One is VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a tool which allows you to run various operating systems on your host machine. For example, you can run Kali Linux virtually on your Windows 11 operating system using VirtualBox. And then we will also require the VirtualBox file for Kali Linux, so we will download it from the official Kali Linux website. So first of all, let's see how we can install VirtualBox on Windows 11. So first of all, just open your favorite browser and search for VirtualBox, and the first link which will appear here will be from virtualbox.org. So we are going to just click on this link, and once virtualbox.org website opens, directly you will be able to see download button here. Otherwise, you can also click on the downloads link here and you will go to the downloads page, right? So I'm going to just click on this button, and here you will be able to see the installation package for different operating systems. So we want VirtualBox for Windows operating system, so we will choose Windows hosts, and it's going to download VirtualBox exe file on my Windows 11 operating system. So once this exe file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this file and I'm going to minimize my browser, and you can see the installer has been started. So on this first setup window, you just need to click on the next button, and here you can just leave everything as default, and the default location for VirtualBox will be this location. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on next. So on the next window you can see the custom setup window, and here you can leave everything as checked, and this is going to create a desktop icon of VirtualBox on your Windows 11 operating system, and it's going to create a shortcut in the quick launch bar and other features. So I generally leave all the checkboxes checked, and then I click on the next button, and at this point you just need to press yes and then click on install, which is going to start the process of installation of VirtualBox. And if you see this kind of warning, just click on yes, and now you can see the VirtualBox installation has been started. You just need to wait for some time until this installation is finished. If you see this kind of warning, would you like to install this device software? This means that VirtualBox wants to install some device software on your Windows 11 operating system. So I trust VirtualBox to install these software on my Windows 11 operating system. So I will click on install, and now I can see that this VirtualBox icon is created on my desktop, and in few seconds you will see this message which says Oracle VirtualBox installation is complete, and at this point just leave this checkbox as checked, which is going to launch VirtualBox, and then click on finish. So now I can see that VirtualBox has been started on my Windows 11 operating system. Now once you have VirtualBox on your Windows 11 operating system, let's go ahead and let's see how we can install the Kali Linux VirtualBox file in order to run it on our Windows 11 operating system. So for this, what you need to do, you just need to search for Kali Linux, and the first link which will appear here will be from kali.org. So I'm going to click on this link, and here you will directly see the downloads page. So I'm going to click on the downloads button here, and here you have two things: the installer images and virtual machines. So because we want to install the virtual machine for Kali Linux, we can choose this option which says virtual machines, and under pre-built virtual machine section you can choose for which virtual machine you want to download the Kali Linux. So first of all, select 64-bit here, and then select VirtualBox here. Okay, so just select VirtualBox, which is going to download this zip file which is around 2.7 GB. So just wait for the download to complete. So now this zip file is downloaded. I'm going to go to my downloads folder where this 7-zip file is downloaded. If you don't have 7-zip installed, just install it, because this is a .7-zip file and you might require the 7-zip tool in order to extract it. So for example, when I click on this zip file, my Windows operating system doesn't recognize that this is a 7-zip file because I don't have 7-zip tool installed on my Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, I need to install it. So just search for 7-zip on any browser, and the first link which will appear here will be from 7-zip.org. Just click on this and then click on the first link, which is for 64-bit operating system. It's not a very big file. Just click on this 7-zip executable you downloaded and then click on install, which is going to install 7-zip on your Windows 11 operating system. So installation is very fast. And now just go to the folder where you have downloaded Kali Linux 7-zip file, right click there, or you can even double click there, and then you can just click on browse an app on your PC, and then in the program files you just go to 7-zip and then here choose 7-zip FM. So it's called 7-zip file manager.exe file. Just select this and then click on open, and then click on always here, which is going to open this file in the 7-zip. And here what you need to do, you can extract this folder anywhere in your file system. So just click on extract and then click this folder to any place where you want on your file system. I'm going to extract it to my D drive, so I will select D and then click on OK and then click on OK, which is going to extract this folder in the D drive of my Windows operating system. So now the extraction is done. Let me go to my D drive. Here this folder is created. Now you can see there are two files here. One is .vbox file and other is .vdi file. We will need both the files. So let me open my VirtualBox first of all, and let's see if there is any Kali Linux virtual machine here or not. So you can see there is no Kali Linux virtual machine which I have created here, and you need to observe what happens when I click on this .vbox file. So just click on .vbox file, and once you click on .vbox file, you will see that this Kali Linux 2022.4 is created automatically on VirtualBox. So you just need to click on this file and it will be added to your VirtualBox automatically. Okay, so this is created when you click on this .vbox file. Once this is already added, just copy the path from here, and we will use the VDI file also. So now click on this Kali Linux virtual machine, click on settings here, and then click on system here. So you can see motherboard is okay, but processor you can always increase to 4, and then acceleration I will leave it as default, display I will leave it as default, and here in the controller you will be able to see this VDI file automatically selected, right? So this took the same path where my Kali Linux vbox file is there. If you don't see it here, you can always click on this plus sign, and then you can just click on this add button and then navigate to your Kali Linux folder where you have the VDI file. Okay, so just select that VDI file from here if you don't see it here. Because I can see this here, I don't need to do anything. Okay, you can change all these settings later also, and the main setting is for this one. So you should see this .vdi file automatically selected here. I'm going to click on OK and then select once again and click on start, and now I can see this kind of window. So when I click on the start button, it starts the new installation of Kali Linux. So just wait for some time until you see the next command. And now your virtual machine is ready. The default username and password is Kali and Kali. So just write KALI as the username and VALI as the password, and then click on login, and you can see this virtual machine has been started. I can click on the maximize button, and you can see everything is working seamlessly. Okay, so from here I can open the command prompt, and then I can type some commands. For example, I can write if config here and then press enter. It shows me the network related stuff for me, right? So from now on, you can start using this Kali Linux virtual machine on your Windows 11 operating system using VirtualBox, right? So this is how you can download and install Kali Linux on your Windows 11 operating system using VirtualBox. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.